the fire element we're meant to use, so it's already gone. We've dissipated most of that, so we've got to do it again. But the way we'll do it this time is, if I can borrow you, we'll touch our partner's base and just go from a normal state and lift the energy up. And then I'll pull my hands back and build energy in the sphere. And once I've got that up, and then you come in and then run that same frequency, the result was 10 times to what it started. Just because I forced fire element into my bones, and then, okay, it's different. Now my body's starting to go, I don't like this, it's getting inflamed. So I'll take that and control it, bring it into equanimity, and when you release an energy, make sure that you straighten your spine as you release it. Because if you release with a crooked spine, you might end up with a crooked spine. There's something about an energetic memory of the path of release, which is quite strong. So always, when you release, do it through a state you want to remain in equanimously. Not, okay, I'm going to release. Oh shit, what happened to my back? It locked up on me. Yeah. So, because it's deep transformations happening in your field.